jumpstarting your IT career without a degree.
Breaking into IT support doesn't require a college degree. Many respected certifications can help you quickly launch a help desk or tech support career. These credentials focus on essential skills and hands-on knowledge, making them ideal for those looking to enter the tech field, even with no previous experience or formal education.
CompTIA IT Fundamentals, ITF+.
CompTIA IT Fundamentals is designed for complete beginners. This certification covers the basic concepts of computers, software, networking, and security. It's often the first step for those considering a career in IT and requires no prerequisites or previous experience. Getting this certification can demonstrate your foundational knowledge to employers.
CompTIA A+, the industry starter.
CompTIA A+ is widely recognized as a starting point for IT support careers. Focused on technical support, troubleshooting, operating systems, and basic networking, A+ is vendor neutral and doesn't require a degree. Earning it shows employers you can solve common IT issues and work effectively in help desk or support roles.
Google IT Support Professional Certificate.
Offered through various online platforms, the Google IT Support Professional Certificate is perfect for beginners with no degree or experience. The program delivers practical skills in troubleshooting, networking, operating systems, and customer service. Completing this certificate can help you prepare for entry-level IT support jobs and is recognized by many employers.
Microsoft Certified Windows Client.
Microsoft Certified Windows Client verifies your ability to manage, maintain, and troubleshoot Windows devices. There are no formal degree requirements. Passing this exam can help you land roles assisting users with Windows operating systems, which are common in many workplaces.
Building a foundation for growth.
These entry-level IT support certifications are accessible to everyone, regardless of education background. Earning one or more can help you gain confidence, build hands-on skills, and stand out to employers. They serve as stepping stones to more advanced certifications and career progression within the tech industry.